Project code ITPYIP16. Project title Digit classification using deep learning technique and deployment using the Django framework. Abstract. Handwritten digits. The brain automatically goes through that the process. Deep learning models more specific convolutional neural network to train the deep learning model. After training the model, we predict the successful result and to deploy the Django framework. Existing concept. They are used most significant digit first stochastic gradient descent with digit stability declaration. Existing drawback. It is not focused on CNN and the best accuracy also. Then they are not deploy any model in deep learning or machine learning. Proposed concept. We take handwritten digits to digit data set to data pre-processing. Then we train deep learning model with CNN. After training deep learning model, we predict the best accuracy of the deep learning model. After we deploying this model for Django web framework. Proposed advantages. To identify the create one application, do this task for any digits. You can give any digit. This is the best model for deep learning digit classification. Existing algorithm. Most significant digit first stochastic gradient descent, SGD simply called. Proposed algorithms. We using deep network, convolution neural network, and we using LENet, one type of CNN, and then we using frameworks for TensorFlow and Keras and the Django web framework. Then we use database for SQLite 3 default database for the Django framework. Architecture. First, we take handwritten digits dataset, then feature engineering process, then we train deep learning model with OpenCV, with OpenCV. OpenCV means computer vision. This is the one framework. Then after training deep learning model, we save mm, hierarchical data format. After saving deep learning model, we deploy the Django framework, and then finally we get the output result. We use here the Django framework. We use SQLite 3 database. Application is real time. Early and accurate find and handwritten digits. And then once the handwritten digits image is trained to handwritten digits classifying, loading and classifying during deployment process. Future. You can deployment in real time in the desktop application as well as Android application and iOS and mobile application also. You have to deploy this artificial intelligence model to public usages. You can use the public usages. Future enhancement anywhere. Software technology. We use Anaconda with Jupyter Notebook and Data DB browser for SQLite 3. DB browser, Jupyter and DB browser software. Why using this software? Jupyter is open source interactive and web tool known as the computational notebook, and hardware minimum hardware requirements. Processor Pentium 4 2.6 GHz and RAM 4 GB and monitor 15-inch color display, and then hard disk 40 GB minimum. Thank you.